Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a car battery Nissan Murano easy method. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake before you start. Confirm the replacement battery matches the recommended group size and cold cranking amps for your vehicle. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove the hold-down clamp carefully. Keep battery upright and avoid shorting terminals while you swap in the new battery. Start by locating the battery and clearing debris from the area to work safely and efficiently. Use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp and remove it first to prevent accidental grounding. Next, remove the positive terminal and any bracket or hold-down hardware securing the battery. Carefully lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to avoid spilling electrolyte, and place it on a flat, secure surface away from the vehicle. Set the new battery into the tray with the terminals correctly oriented to match the cable positions. Reattach and tighten the positive terminal clamp first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are snug but not over-torqued. Replace the hold-down clamp and ensure the battery cannot shift when you gently rock it. Double-check that terminals are free of corrosion and that nearby components are clear before starting the engine and testing electrical systems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.